Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We have another microwave video. So we have this toaster here, and yeah, so in the last toaster video we threw some smartphones in there, and then we microwaved it. Well, no, we just left it to be on the side here, and we had crayons and all kinds of stuff in there. And if you've seen that video, go check it out. If you haven't, anyway, we're gonna throw this toaster in the microwave today and see what happens. Probably. Oh yeah. Yeah, well, do you want it standing up or do you want it on its side?
I think it's standing up. It's up to you.
Okay. So we're gonna keep it standing up, and we're gonna keep the plug in there. And we also have this battery here from Harbor Freight. We'll throw that in there too, I guess. So it is.
You know, we got that.
Okay, so how long you want to do it for? 10 minutes or what? Actual time, by the way, 2:03. Okay, we're gonna set you guys down on the tripod, so. Okay. Okay, you good to go?
Alright, so yeah, 10 minutes and then we'll see what happens.
It's probably gonna catch fire, though.
It's already smoking.
Could be all plastic and crap we had in there.
Oh yeah, remember there's the battery.
We still got that battery, so yeah, we were leaving.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna get a little farther.
We were leaving.
Oh shit. Like how you're like behind it. That was a nervous laugh, by the way. This fucking wipes out the whole block. Has to be the battery, right?
I don't know at this point. It's a D battery, so.
I love it. It blows up. Shit, I gotta reset that. The way does it blow the tripods over?
It should be okay.
Sounds like something.
Oh god, that smells like.
Smells like fucking burnt Doritos.
Oh god, it smells like fireworks.
Oh.
That arcade. Oh god. Oh. Man.
And it seems like no matter which location you go, the smoke follows you.
It's like it knows.
Oh, there's a fire in the back actually.
Yeah. Is there?
Yeah, it's like at the top, kind of. I think that's definitely the toaster for sure.
Oh yeah, your TV's still in there.
I actually need it back.
Oh god. It's a lot of smoke. Oh yeah, there's a fire in the back. There's fire. There is fire.
This fucking blows up. I'm just waiting for like the door to just fly open and just a ball of flame just comes out and annihilates our phones.
Yeah, mine's a $1,700 phone, so.
That's just too fucking bad. Hold on, there we go.
I said go to the back.
Well, I think it shut off.
Did it?
Yeah, it did.
Oh, we tripped the thermal fuse. That or we tripped the breaker, one of the two.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh god.
Oh, oh.
Whew. Oh god. Oh god, the sides are all melted.
That battery is kind of intact still, isn't it?
Yeah, but
That's not a good sign.
that's not a good sign.
Jesus Christ almighty. This fucking blows up in your face.
We'll check the lights in here. See if they're still on.
Turn off these blows up. I see the fucking roof. Yeah. Oh, shit.
Jeez.
Louise.
Seemed like, well, there was a fire in there, so we don't know how long it was in, but oh god, that is hot.
Is it?
The top you.
Damn, that's bad.
So it's no wonder that the thing went out, but
It's like coming at me, man. Because it's Black & Decker.
yeah, the microwave just came back on, so works. We're gonna have round 2.
Oh, wow. Just turns it on, no warning. It's still kind of hot, though. It might turn off again.
Yeah, it's like really hot in there.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Just blows up.
Joe Biden moment. Yeah, this smoke has been making Justin high, so
Yeah, that smells getting me all fucked up.
he's getting delusional. He has psychosis.
No bullshit, I don't think that smoke's good for you, baby.
Oh well, we're all gonna die, so we might as well.
Fuck. It's a horrible way to look at it. But you ain't wrong.
Oh god, there's a lot of smoke in here.
Oh, no shit.
Oh god.
Yeah, it's back up. The toaster's getting toasted.
I love this microwave, man.
This shit's gonna be put in a museum once we're done with it.
Oh god, there's already fire again back there.
Oh yeah, you can see it. You should like go up to it, put your face against the.
Okay. Nice.
Bless you.
I honestly didn't think that this microwave would have been a good microwave when I got it. I thought it was just going to be another crappy one, but out of all the microwaves we've had on this channel, this is the one that's lasted the longest, so with no modifications done to it, so definitely high quality. No microwave was ever intended to be used for this, but we're putting it to the test, so
But if you wanted to, you could.
yeah.
Disclaimer though, we don't encourage
yeah.
anybody to do this. We forgot the disclaimer at the beginning of the video, but everybody should have common sense not to do this. So
Yeah, only trained professionals
we're
like
not
ourselves.
responsible for anybody trying this shit out. So
Only trained idiots like us.
we are trained. I didn't receive any training.
Yeah, neither did I. It was just
Yeah.
self-trained.
Self-training, yeah, you're right, you're right.
Yeah, so we were trained, just self-trained.
How to put out a microwave fire.
Use it.
Don't start one in the first place.
Use a DirecTV mounting pipe to put fires out.
The fuck was that? Somebody smelled the smoke.
God, that smells like Sharpie.
Ah, I should have turned out. Wowzers.
Well, I might get the pipe and we could pull it out then, I guess.
That's what she said. I'll go for it.
Oh man, that stinks.
Uh,
But look at that kind of smoke, man.
oh wow.
Struggling there, Justin.
Cause it's like, it's so slippery.
Oh, you know what else is slippery?
Oh,
Oh, God. Oh, wow. I mean, it is a hot toaster, so.
the toaster is toasty. Oh, I completely detached from the. If you guys wanted to know what's inside a toaster, there you go.
Pretty much
This
nothing.
fucking smoke is making me like fucking more dumbass than I was previously dumbass.
Okay, it's time to put the weight down.
Oh wow, it just crumbled like that.
Yep, well, there it is. There's that is.
There that is.
There's the cord there.
Fucking smoke is making us all stupid.
Battery's still in there. Well, anyway, I guess that'll do it for this video. So, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share, guys.
Yeah, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos like this. I know it's been a while, but we did it.
So, stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.